in today's weekly contest. It was the second question over there, and I think it's a good question which covers your hash map, priority queue, and array list in a very good format. I'll quickly give you a walkthrough of the question and how I came to the approach. So the question was that given a set of list where the first represent the person's name and the second one represent the time at which they have accessed the system, and if a particular person have accessed the system more than or equals to 3 times in a day, then consider that person as one of the highly efficient person, with one more additional condition, that he have accessed this machine within the same hour. That is, if you can see, this A person is there, right? He have accessed the system 3 times. And if we see the timing of all 3 hours that are presented, we can see that all 3 of these timeline belong to one particular hour section. That's why we are considering A as one of our solution, because we can see that all the time that A have accessed this machine is actually within an hour. So we will say yes, this is an highly efficient employee. Same goes for this one as well. We can see that okay, C is a highly efficient person. Why? Because he have accessed the system more than or equals to 3 times, and the time range do lie within an hour. So that's what our condition is, that if we are able to figure out access time, let me show you the exact condition where this is written. So represent the name of the employee across this access time of start and return the list of that contains the highly efficient employees. Okay, so this is the question, and let me show you how I came to this approach. So it was pretty simple. We first pushed all the values inside a hash map just to see how much occurrences of that value is there. If the occurrence of that particular person is more than or equals to 3 times, then we will consider it as one of the possible solution. So if you can see in this for loop, we used a map to just see what is the current count of all the values, and if at any point any of the person have came more than 3 times or more than equal to 3 times, then we will add this to our possible answer. Once we got this, what we will do, we will try to extract all the values that belong to that person, all the timelines that belong to that person. So for this, we could have used an array list, but the reason I have used a priority queue was this will help me in internal sorting as well. I do not have to get the array list and sort it all over again. So in that condition, priority queues are very helpful if you are able to figure out that how I can sort an array list without creating an array list. That solution is priority queue. So what I did, I pushed all the possible answers of that particular person inside my queue. Once I had this inside the queue, I just looped over all the values and I checked that if there are any 3 set which are under an hour, if there is any such set which are under within an hour, then I'll add that person inside my key and will return the key at the end of the day, or the answer at the end of the day. So this was a small solution. You can go through it. I just gave you a quick walkthrough that how I used a map, array list, and a queue, and I was able to figure out the answer. Let me know if you want a detailed solution on this. I can provide you the solution in the comment section as well if you want, but this is it. Thank you so much.